Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to paint this super cute 𝐍𝐚𝐢𝐥 Jaguar. First, we're going to be getting this sketch of him. I'm using our shading gel in black to get this outline. I like to think of this product as like a pencil. It's incredibly easy to clean up any mistakes that you make with this product in comparison as to if you were like using a really black gel liner. By the way, in case you're new here, all the products that I'm using in this video are from my brand. I'm going to link everything used in the description below. The brush I'm using is the 12mm Dream Liner brush. I love this brush. It's good for beginners and advanced artists. Now, I want you guys to really take your time with getting the sketches proportions done correctly because I feel like this is the most important part of doing nail art. Now, after you've completed your sketch of him, this is how it should look. We're gonna go ahead and cure that in the light. And now taking our pigmented liner gels, let's start by doing the yellow first. This color is called Highlighter. I love this color. I went and mixed a little bit of orange into it right here on the nose. We're gonna follow that up with using orange. And as you can see, I switched to a shorter liner brush. I love using a short liner brush to blend and shade small areas. The brush I'm using for this is the 5mm Dream Liner brush. Another brush you see me using is the Slim Shady blender brush. All right, now we're gonna take this purple called Grape Soda and I mixed it with a little bit of clear down here, clear top coat, to give it that like clear looking effect, and we're just gonna blend that out. Now for the eyes, I used two different greens. I first went in with Slime Time, and then we're gonna go in with Limewire, and we're gonna blend that down onto it. Now for the outline around the eyes, I used Grape Soda mixed with a little bit of black, so I created a dark purple. I'm gonna just do some extremely fine lines around this eye, and then we're gonna fill it in with black liner gel. After we've outlined both the eyes, this is what your nails should be looking like or similar. All right, now it's time to do all the black outlining. My absolute favorite product for outlining is Baddest black liner gel. I'm still using my 12mm liner brush, and we're gonna fill in the mouth, add some little details down here, and then when it comes to these spots, you just really want to pay attention to the pattern that I'm placing these in. I did switch back to the 5mm Dream Liner brush to add these tiny little dots. And before I forget, I want to ask you guys a question. Comment below what other kind of character tutorials you'd like to see me paint in the future. I definitely want to get back into doing more of these long form tutorials for you guys. I just also wanted to mention that obviously your spot placement does not have to be exactly like mine. I think I looked at the picture and I just kind of placed it similar, but it does not have to be perfect. All right, now we're gonna add a little bit of details on the ear up here, and this is how your nails should be looking or similar. All right, now let's go ahead and add some more detail down here under the chin, and we're gonna add two white fingers on his paw. In the picture, he's sitting on like this blue log, so I'm adding some blue lines down here, and then we can go ahead and start adding some more details to the hand over here. I added a little bit more orange in some places and a little bit more detail on his paw. Using a dark blue liner gel, I'm just outlining the paw and adding some shadow and just adding up some final details on his face. And now we're gonna take our white liner gel, we're gonna add a white line above the nose, two little dots inside the eyes, and give him some really thin whiskers. We're gonna finish it off with our super matte top coat, and I added some fluff. And look how cute he turned out. Oh my gosh. I love how these turned out, and I'll be posting a full fluff tutorial on how I did this print as well. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.